Alright, what is up, guys? Welcome back. Now, as you guys see, we got a broken mirror here. And I tried to get some used ones. Well, just one used one. And they were trying to charge me like 35 bucks. And I was like, saw some online for like 50 bucks for the pair. Brand new. Nah, I tried to haggle with him. I offered him 20 bucks, 25, and he did not want to. So I was like, fuck it. I'm just going to order some new ones. So that's what I'm going to be replacing today. So let me remove this fucking tape and see how this actually broke, because I don't even know. Alright, so this little motor is all screwed up on this mirror, so let me remove this plastic trim in the back right here. I think I should just pull out. Let me get a tool. Alright, so to pop this off, real easy. That's it, that's how you do it. So now, got these little like 8mm, 6mm bolts or nuts. Unplug this and swap it in for a new one. So let me handle that real quick. Alright, so these are 8mm bolts. Okay, you guys get the idea. Let me BRB. Alright, so little tip, I guess. I'd use the shorter sockets, don't use the longer ones. You'll be fine getting these out with the long socket, but this one right here is just too much of a weird angle, so you just pull the plastic out, use a shorter socket, break it loose, and then you just twist it out. So that way you guys don't gotta hassle. Alright, so once you undo those bolts or those nuts, you'll just unplug this from the bottom. It has a little release clip right there, so you just hit it with a little tiny screwdriver, prop it up, and then just pull it out. Easy peasy. So now you should yank this. That little plastic clip is gonna still be in there, but it's okay because we don't need it. That little clip right there. So this little tiny clip, that's what was keeping the thing from coming out completely. So since we don't need this, we'll just yank it out. Alright, so we got the replacement part here. Came with brand new little rubber gasket, and it also came with this little foam gasket, I guess. I'm just gonna stick it on there like that, and then push this through. See the 3 little studs sticking out on the inside, and then screw the nuts on, yada yada yada. Alright guys, so I got it installed already. Just gotta put this clip back in. So yeah, you basically just line up the little studs with these holes. You push it in. You're gonna have to push it a little bit tight to get these clips all the way through, but once you get these through, screw on these studs and then just start tightening them down. Alright, yeah, I just tightened them just until you can see the little studs sticking out a little bit, because at first the studs didn't stick out too much, so I had to, like, pull the mirror in this way just to expose the stud, and then I grabbed the little nut, tighten it on there, and then I just started tying them all evenly. So now, oh shit, don't forget to connect the sensor here for the mirror. I think it's this way. No, this way. Oh wait, is it the other way? What the fuck? Oh, it's this way. Okay. There we go. Okay. I got scared. I was about to say, hey, don't tell me I got the wrong fucking mirror. That would have been something. Okay, so now pull this baby in. There we go. Okay, don't fucking do that. You're gonna break your shit. But I like to manhandle shit, so there we go. There we go. You hear that click, so do your aiming first and then clip it on. So now we got that mirror. Awesome. Oh, my flash turned off because my phone's 15%. So I'm gonna switch out the passenger side real quick. I mean the driver's side real quick. Might as well, you know. I got the two new ones, so I'll do this off camera. Easy peasy stuff, guys. Alright, I guess I'll give you guys another quick rundown. So pull the clip off, undo this little connector, undo the three 6mm nuts, use the shorter sockets, pull it out, put it back in, tighten them, plug it in, put the plastic. Just in case you guys missed it. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments down below. Alright guys, so I couldn't record with flash on because my phone was dying. Oh, it is still dying, but in order to remove the mirrors without breaking these little tabs, you got to remove them slowly. So start from the top, use a little flathead, push it down, and then push the mirror out, and then you'll get half of this little clip out the way, out of the little ring, you know. And then you just push the bottom clip up, and then push out, and then it'll pop out. So that way you can remove it properly without breaking these little clips here. So let me throw the new one on right here. Like I said, I got a better deal, brand new, for the pair, you know. I mean, some people say care OEM, not OEM. Mirror is a mirror, my guy. So let me swap this out. And yeah, I also got a little fake K&N filter for the Civic. It's a little reusable one. Extra horsepower, baby. Alright guys, just like that, we got some brand new mirrors for the Civic. Very nice. So now pop the hood real quick and install that K&N filter. Alright, real easy. Pop that. Oh, nice. Looks like we already got a K&N filter. That's the first generation K&N filter. This is the second gen, new and improved. So we'll see how this handles. Got a little bit of dust right there. Let me get a rag and wipe that down a little bit. Alright, much better. So quick wipe down, throw this bad boy on there. Let's see. Alright guys, just like that, we got some extra horsepower. So now, you guys saw the car started right up, so like I said, I already ordered the starter, so it was giving little issues, so I'm just gonna replace it. So stay tuned for that video, but that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Got the fucking mirrors installed, K&N filter upgrade. Previous video we got our brake light issue fixed, so this car is good to go. All it needs is an oil change to make sure it's good. I guess I didn't do it the right way to flush these out, but you know, it will dilute it, and I'll just keep an eye on it. It'll be fine. It's a Honda, guys. So yeah, with all that being said, guys, this is another quick video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff.